Great news, Glendale. You're a winner.
That's right, Glendale. Thanks to your support, MyGlendale City News received the Award of Excellence for News Programming from 3CMA, the City County Communications and Marketing Association, which is the preeminent municipal marketing association in the United States.
We'd like to thank all 11 of our fans, including our parents, grandmas, and the city manager, who made this award possible. We hope you continue to enjoy our show.
We'd also like to congratulate Eliza Papazian and GTV6 for bringing in 2 more 3CMA awards.
On the Move, which is the city's monthly local programs and events show, received an award for the category of video news programming.
And Bag That Business, the city's public service announcement about picking up after your dog, won in the public service announcement category.
Thank you again to all of our viewers. You can view these programs and many more at the MyGlendale YouTube channel.
Tolly, can I share something with you?
Yeah, of course. What's up?
So when I was in the 7th grade, I made this map.
Okay.
And the teacher really liked it, so she put it up on display at open house, and that made me very happy.
That's great, but why are you bringing this up now during the show?
The script said we're supposed to talk about open house.
Yes, the police department's open house.
Oh, what are we supposed to say about it?
It's right there on the teleprompter. Just read it.
Oh, got it. Okay. Join the Glendale Police Department at its open house on October 13th from 10:30 a.m. to 3 p.m.
You can tour the police facility, check out SWAT and K-9 demonstrations, and learn more about safety awareness and recruitment programs while enjoying food and entertainment.
So mark your calendars for the Glendale Police Department open house.
See, that wasn't difficult.
Nope, that was easy.
You know what isn't easy? Keeping the power on for an entire city.
Well, luckily we have Glendale Water and Power working 24/7 to make sure our lights are on. And on Thursday, October 11th from 11:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m., you have the chance to see GWP's facility at this year's Utility Day.
GWP is opening its doors for public tours to join the celebration of Public Power Week with public utilities across the United States. The Utility Operations Center will be open to all customers to take tours of the Grayson Power Plant, visit GWP booths, and take bucket truck rides, and much, much more.
That's all for this segment of MyGlendale City News. For more news and events, visit myglendalecity.news.org, and don't forget to follow us on social media at MyGlendale.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.